Good morning, glammies. Girl, guess who got her hair did? Okay, I literally just did my hair the same way that I always do. Leave out weave. I'm that girl. You know what? I really want to be one of those girls, and I wanted to be one of those girls that could like slay a wig, change up my hairstyle every week. I really wanted to be one of those girls, but I've realized that it's just not for me. Okay, I don't know how. I have tried many a time, I have failed, and I feel like it's not for me. But this is hair that suits me and I'm happy with it, and I think it looks good on me. It's easy to maintain, it works for my lifestyle. So you guys, if you guys are looking for hair looks, you're not going to get it from me. Okay, this is how I am. Anyways, Brie did the damn thing as always. I'm very happy. I just got a center part this time. And then I didn't leave out any of the sides. Sometimes I leave out the sides to like blend it a little bit more, but I'm trying to grow my hair out, so I'm leaving out like as little as possible. But I don't think that it looks too bad. I don't even know if I'm in focus, and I'm literally just chatting away. Anyways, so it is 11:53 and I want some breakfast. I am craving some French toast, so let's go do that. Let's go do that. Okay, and my French toast is ready. So it's just regular French toast, and then I did some caramelized cornflakes just for a bit of crunch, some maple syrup, and some bananas. So simple and yet so yummy. And this caramelized cornflakes, you can literally just make it with butter. So it's butter, sugar, and then you just whisk it together until it becomes thick and like the sugar melts. Then you just add your cornflakes, mix it all in, and voila, yum, time to eat. Hey guys, okay, so I have eaten. My breakfast was amazing. Oh, my skin is looking so good, girl. Let me tell you, that has got me right. Anyway, so I finished eating. It's currently like, it's almost 2 o'clock. It's like 10 to 2, and it is raining right now. It's drizzling, but it's definitely going to storm because it's all gray. I love this kind of weather, especially on a Sunday. It's very chill, very serene, and I'm just enjoying my time. It's a very slow and quiet day, so I'm just enjoying my time and recharging for the new week. So that's what I'm going to be doing, and I will see you guys once I finally get the strength to get up.
Say hi, Valerie.
Hey guys, please tell us where we are today, Minky.
We're at Olives and Plates at the Constance Beauty brunch.
Exactly.
Are you ready?
And we're in silk.
We're all in silk. Yes. And have you sang also?
Hi guys, silk is the fabric of the season.
No, 100%. But this green is fabulous on you.
Hi guys, you guys need to subscribe to Minky's channel.
Please, guys. Yeah.
So, I think I still have the location on my WhatsApp. I'm gonna send you. Oh, you should see the location they did. Oh, it's so nice. She always chooses the best location.
They haven't even
Guys,
said
Nova is
thank you
doing
so much
a
for the
lot
names
right
and
now.
everything. Thanks, guys.
On Karabo's vlog. Hi, girl.
Hi, baby. She must be like, subscribe to my channel. Hey, guys. Minky and Karabo are having a moment. And if I'm Minky and Karabo are having a
Don't worry about us. We'll be sharing a screen soon.
screen.
Don't worry about us.
Anyway, I've heard some very embarrassing news today. My dear friend V lives in the West.
Oh wow.
That's so rude.
Really, guys? So this.
It's so.
I mean, Minx and V came out here to tell us, yeah, we live in the West. We out here, hiding. They shop at Crystal.
End of the year by starting off with, well, ending off with the launch. So it's basically our into the year, but the start of something new. And we're so happy to have you guys here. Thank you so much again for coming out. So we've got 3 products launching, and we would love to let you know a little bit more about it. So I'm going to hand over to Connie, and she's going to tell you guys a bit more about it.
Woohoo!
So for anybody who might not know much about Constance Beauties, we actually launched about 6 years ago under the name Connie Transform. And I started the company because I could not find what I considered a well-priced lipstick that was long wear and also opaque. Being a dark skin girl, some lipsticks you put them on and you still see the darkness of your own lips underneath it, or they were so dry that they would chap your lips or they would transfer, and I just wanted a high quality lipstick. I was just really lucky that I knew somebody who was a chemist in cosmetics in Florida, and we talked about the concept, and they said actually we're already working on formulas like this because the market was becoming really big to make your skin feel like butter. I mean, I honestly love the way it makes me feel. Sometimes I touch myself.
Just got my lips threaded. Look how red it is.
Good morning, girls. Okay, so yesterday I left you guys, we were doing my eyebrows, so I'm going to show you guys a close-up of my eyebrows because my phone really just wasn't that clear. How nice. So I got a brow lamination and then I got them threaded. I got my upper lip and my eyebrows threaded to shape them, and then I got the lamination, which is kind of like a perm, I guess. It's like a relaxer for your eyebrows. Today we are going to go for a chemical peel, which I'm excited about. So I do a chemical peel once every sort of like 6 weeks to 2 months. And it's a glycolic peel, so it's a really gentle peel. Some people say that you do it like once a month, but I think for me and for my skin right now, that's a little bit too much. Hi, Lebs. So I think that my skin is actually looking pretty decent, if you guys can see. I don't think it looks bad at all. Anyway, so I've also been using my skincare products, which I love. I absolutely love it. Like, my skin has just been looking so good and so radiant and all of that good stuff. Also, I got my we got a mani-pedi yesterday, so my toes are just painted white, and then this is what my nails look like. This is what I did. It's sort of like, so this is overlay on my own nails. I got them cut, and then I just have an acrylic overlay, and it has like specks of glitter in it, which I love. I think that it just gives it like they're very neutral, but I feel like the glitter gives it like a really nice sort of like special touch. This is my favorite kind of set, like mid-length, almost more to the short side, with a neutral color. So that is what we're looking like with my nails. I think that they came out beautifully. I'm so happy. Last but not least is outfit of the day, an outfit which you guys have seen many times. So comfortable. Adidas sweatpants, Lotto Legend sneakers, Zara black bodysuit, and my denim jacket from Primark. So these are the bodysuits, and they are gorgeous. These are 160 bucks each, and I absolutely love bodysuits. Like, I'm trying to get bodysuits in every color because they're so versatile and so easy to wear. So these I got in a small, but they're a little bit big for me, so I'm going to get them in an extra small. Normally in bodysuits I take like the smallest size that is available. So if a small is the smallest size, then I'll take that, and then if an extra small is the smallest size, then I'll take that, because I am actually, like, I've got quite a small frame. It may not seem like it, but I do have quite a small frame, even though I've gained weight, but that's neither here nor there. It's only because you guys see me from the boobs up, and my boobs are quite big. So, but I am not complaining, girl, because once upon a time your girl wanted to go get a job for the boobs, if you get my drift, and now they just came in naturally. Won't God do it? Anyways, okay guys, so I think we're pretty much done, so let's go. What time is it? We need to go. Oh my gosh, it's already 11:16. So yeah, we're gonna go to the mall, get everything sorted, and then I will see you there. Guys, so I just had a consult, so she recommended we do the micro needling, so that's what we're going to do, and then we're going to do it with the very gentle chemical peel. Okay, so halfway through, chemical peel is done. You guys can see the redness, so we're going to go in with the micro needling. See that? And then we're done. All done, guys. Look at that. Ooh, the irritation, but it's good. It's gonna go down, skin's gonna heal, then we're gonna be good. All that redness, jeez. But once it heals, let me tell you. Okay, let's go. I need to get something to drink because I'm so thirsty. Love. Then I just got a black one also. Love this orange set. Yes. Okay guys, so I am on my way home. It is currently almost 3 o'clock. I'm probably just going to take the rest of the day to rest. I feel as if I have gotten pretty much everything that I need and that I want, and I have gotten everything done. So this is pretty much like what my in-depth beauty routine is. So I do one of these like every maybe like 2 months or 3 months, where I get all my nails and all my gels and everything soaked off, and then I get new sets. I get new sets once every 3 months, because I normally just fill my nails. And then waxing, I need to go get waxed, but I haven't been able to book an appointment, and honestly it's just been so hectic this week. So I'm probably going to get waxed. I get my whole body waxed. My hair, as you guys know, my hair is done. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Hi everyone. Okay, I know this is looking a little crazy, but I just got to Hyde Park and I am going for dinner with a friend. I completely forgot to show you guys my outfit, but it's nothing too hectic. I'm just wearing a black jumpsuit and some heels, and I'm actually like, this jumpsuit is actually short, like it's a pair of shorts, if that makes sense, like a short jumpsuit. But the top is like completely covered, so I don't know, I'm not really used to wearing shorts like that, but we're here now, you know, let's do things out of our comfort zone and just keep it pushing. So yeah guys, let's go for dinner, and hopefully it'll be a fun night, and yeah, let's go.
Tell your vlog followers that I didn't test today.
So what, you're dry?
I'm unmoisturized.
Oh, and our new babe, I haven't seen her in person. You look so good with your fluffy shoes. Meme, you look so fab, girl. Good to see you. Laying down because I'm tired, so I just got home. Guys, do you want to know what the worst part about putting makeup on is taking it off. The thought of me taking off my makeup right now is, oh gosh, I can't even. But I need to go take my makeup off. My makeup was very chill today. I am obsessed with these lashes. These are from Kiss, and I love them. I thought that they look great. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go take my makeup off. Bye.
Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Yes. Yeah.